Hello, my dear learners, how are you? I think that you are most well. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Today, I will discuss about passage narration. I think that you don't get fear when anybody say about passage narration. Everybody or every student can get fear. I think that there is no difficult, there is no problem about this. If you try, then you can change it in direct speech from the direct. Now, I am going to teach you about passage narration. Passage narration. When you are going to change into indirect speech from the direct, then first one, you have to find out the speaker of the passage. Second one, you have to find out the listener. Then you have to realize the mood of the sentences. Then you can go to change according to normal sentence of the sentences. Okay, now let's go to start for changing into indirect speech from the direct. As for example, I broke the eggs. I will pay for it. I will repair the broken eggs. Next, he said to me. Okay. Next, why did you break it? How did you show your responsibility? Do you have money for repairing it? Inverted comma, I said. This is passage. Our task is to change into indirect speech according to direction, according to normal sentences direction. Okay. First one, we have to find out the speaker of the sentence. I broke the eggs. I will pay for it. I will repair the broken eggs. There are three sentences here of the speaker at a time. Okay. Here is, he said to me, he is speaker, and me, that means I, is the listener. Okay. When you go to change into indirect speech, first one, you have to use subject of the reporting verb he. Answer, he. If you see the object of the reporting verb, then you have to use told instead of said to. So told. Then object me. He told me. And the sentence is in the assertive, so you have to use linker word that to delete the inverted comma. Okay? He told me that. Then subject. I will be changed according to the subject of the repeating verb. Subject here he. So subject of the repeating speech here would be he. Then tense changes. This sentence is in the past indefinite, so it will be changed into past perfect. Understand? In the past perfect, had is used after subject. Had. Then main verb plus participle form. Broken. Okay. Then object. Diets. Then full stop. Okay. Next, second sentence. I will pay for it. This sentence of the subject is the same person. Okay. If you see more than one quotes in the passage, then you have to use added after said or told. Then further added, then also say, then again say. In this way, you can use the repeating verb. Okay. Here we can use he added that. He added that. Why not? Subject I. It will be changed according to subject of the repeating verb he. Okay. So he is subject of the repeating verb here. And added after said or told. Okay. That linker word to delete the inverted comma. Okay. Then sentence change. Sentence is here in the future form. So will be ought in the past form. Okay. Then subject he. Then verb will ought. Understand? Then other or extension. Pay for it. He added that you ought pay for it. Okay. Next sentence. I will be changed according to subject of the repeating verb he. So subject here he. Then after added, you have to use further added. Okay. He further added. Linker word that to delete the inverted comma. Next sentence, I will repair the broken X. I will be he. Okay, I will be he. Then verb will be ought. Okay, then extension. Repair the broken X. The broken X. Okay. There are three sentences here of the speaker. Understand? Next, another move. Yeah, why did you break it? This is interrogative sentence. We know that if you see the sentence including cushion word, then we have to use the cushion word as linker word. Okay? Here is subject or speaker I. Then listener he. Okay? Here is subject I said. I is the speaker and he is the listener. So I is used. Then in the interrogative sentence you have to use ask after subject of the repeating verb. Okay? As past form ask. I asked. Then listener him. I asked him. Then linker word. This is question word. Okay, if we see the question word of the sentence, then we have to use the question word as linker word to delete the inverted comma. Okay, why? Then subject here you will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Here is object him, so here is object him, so it will be subject for him. Okay, he. Then tense change. This sentence is in the past indefinite, so it will be changed according to past perfect. Okay, if the sentence becomes past perfect, then you have to use had after subject. Okay, had, here. Then main verb past participle form. Break, broken. Eat. Then full stop. Okay. Next, how did you show your responsibility? This is also in our sentence. Okay. So you have to use ask, further ask after subject of the repeating verb. Okay. First one. Subject I, that is speaker. Okay, I also asked. Then further asked. Then again asked. In this way, you can use ask after subject of the repeating verb. Okay, I also asked him of that. Then linker word. This is linker word question word. How? So how is used as linker word to delete the inverted comma? How? Then subject. Subject here I. Subject here I. I will be changed. I will be changed according to subject of the repeating verb. Subject here he. So he. Okay. Then change. How did you show your responsibility? This sentence is in the past tense, so it will be changed according to past perfect. Okay. So after subject, helping verb had is used here. Had. Then main verb as past participle form. Oh sorry. Subject here you. Subject here you. You will be changed according to object of the repeating verb. Object here he. Object here he. Okay. He is subject here. Then helping verb had. Then main verb past participle form. Main verb here should. It will be past participle form should. Here should. Then your will be changed according to he. He the possessive form his. Okay. Then responsibility. Then responsibility. He had shown his responsibility. Okay. Then full stop. Then next sentence. Do you have money for repairing it? Do you have? This is also in the interrogative sentence. Okay. So first one we have to use subject or speaker. Subject, that is I further asked. I further asked him object him. Okay. Then linker word. There isn't any question word here. This sentence begins with helping verb. So in this case, you have to use if or whether as linker word to delete the inverted comma. Okay. So we can use here if. Okay. Then subject you. You will be changed according to object of the repeating verb. Object he. Object he will be he as subject form. Okay. He. Then tenses. Do you have money? Okay. He have. Here is have. It will be changed according to have. He had money for repairing, for repairing. In this way, we can change into indirect from the direct. Okay. Passive narration is not so difficult but easy. If you try again and again, then it will be easy for you. Okay. I will show you a passage. How can you change the indirect from the direct? Okay. Thanks Allah. Thanks you. Thanks Almighty Allah.